Those roles to national government, they are clearly stipulated in the constitution. Roles to governor, they are clearly stipulated in the what? In the constitution. The governor needs to be a governor. An MP needs to be an MP. All right? A chairman of a parastatal needs to be a chairman of a parastatal. An MCA needs to be an MCA. It becomes a problem when a governor decides to behave like an MP, when an MP decides to behave like a governor. The only thing I will advise, I've worked in this county government, my brother, and I have nothing to lose. I was the first person. Na atebeti umuzikisi mbarati nga nchi umugavana tintagetimirimu county government yao. Because the truth is, first, I didn't participate. To make you become a governor. I told him that, and he knows that, and he respects me for that. So I'm at a position because I have experience. I've worked in the county government. Sometimes there's some sort of excitement ego chicha. But the thing is this, we have what we call intergovernmental relations. There is no way revenue collection, local revenue collection here county ga to bring development in Kisii County. There is no way. Look at the governors back when they President William Ruto chukura. But they know, they understand that we need this man, whether he's good or bad. We need him development inka. Na development ye taringa ninche ko cha kukonya. No mwananchi ulio koretaki oinse, because majority of these people, the governor, umuzike osoro and the rest, abanaba nto barozeti pension yabo kare whether is in power or not. Huyu mtu ataendelea kupata pesa yake na anakula, anaenda kwa nyumba analala. But mwananchi yako hapa, kazi yake ametumika akili. Usikulire lio mwana minto pare kuru junction una bono, for instance, from junction to Daraja Moja, it is in a shambolic state. Edine pare ya national government. But onye to take good relations between county government and the national government, the governor can easily go to the president and they tell him, Your Excellence, my people are suffering. Biashara ifanyiki wapi? Ndani ya Kisii. Is there a way you can find a way? Contract yirane, konya bantu wa minto. Lakini kama ni hizi vita zinaendelea hapa, the environment appears to be hostile. Uwezi ona vitu, uwezi ona maendeleo usiye yaito.
So, correct. I'm telling you the truth.